Ali peace be upon him, and the impolite businessman. During the days when Amir al-Mu'minin peace be upon him was the ruler of the Islamic country, he often went to the bazaars and sometimes gave tickets to the people. One day he was passing by the date seller's market. He saw a little girl crying. He stopped and asked the reason for her crying. He replied, "Sir, he gave me 1 dirham to buy dates. I bought them from this merchant and took them home, but they didn't like them. Now I have brought them back, and the merchant won't accept it." Hazrat said to Kasib, "This little girl is a servant, and she has no choice. You take the dates and return her money." The shopkeeper moved in front of the shopkeeper, and the passers-by hit Ali's chest with his hand to make him pass in front of his shop. Those who were watching the process came and said to him, "What are you doing?" "This is Ali bin Abi Talib, peace be upon him." The businessman lost his temper and turned yellow, and immediately took the girl's date and gave her the money. Then he said to Hazrat, "O Amir al-Mu'minin, may peace be upon him, be pleased with me and forgive me." Hazrat said, "The thing that pleases me about you is that you correct your ways and observe ethics and politeness.